Hi and welcome to Chameleon Swap-Top FlipFlops. Today I'm going to do a demonstration on how to use the rhinestone buckles. I've set the flip-flop up as demonstrated in earlier videos with the classic ring and the laces already in. So if you just take the ends of your laces, your buckle, and again I'm using tweezers because I find it much easier and less fiddly. Thread that through, push it all the way down, take your ring, just pull that forward a little bit, just thread the laces through these rear loops and then back through the ring. Pull that behind your ankle and take the second buckle, which is optional. I think it looks nice with two. Just pull that along like so. Again, like so. Just fasten around the back. And there you have it, rhinestone buckles.